Life is like a mountain railroad with an engineer that's great. We must make the run successful from the cradle to the grave. Watch the curves, hills and tunnels, never fall to never fail. Keep your hands upon the throttle and your eyes upon the rail, where our Savior God will guide us until we reach that blissful shore, where His angels wait to join us in God's praise forevermore. As we roll along the mainland, there'll be storms and there'll be lies, and there'll be slight tricks unexpected on the left and on the right, but with our minds upon the throne and our hearts upon the prize, there'll be no disembarkation until we reach paradise, where our Savior will guide us until we reach that blissful shore, where His angels wait to join us in Thy praise forevermore.